Upper West Akim MP Pesua no somra shebedwani oho ononyamfo yimano edra enkotwetwe nkomo mobeka ya afi atwa mu na video bi payeye video no na ya mofra nkuma a wo de dua bi etwa nsuo ama kyese beye he wo mamu mampani mahama nkasa etwero wo Facebook so say obehwe me ya yetwene e de ato nsuo yi so de ama wo mo eyase asojafo ne bedi animu yehu ya ne atwe doma machine akosi wan dua no kakra no kro mutimi de cross no yetwa firi ho ye be yetwene abusua besi nne se twene ne yaye se ya nyeye honorable Rainbow Radio International so ne ye mo ahamo akwa ba wadawroma etwen no akosi se yaye awie
Lejo tumenia medawase na me takonye so na me ya mo tiepo nyina me say ejuma de asa mo ni die chi pa me so no mani die chi na de akoye ne say sisi a me no kate die me say yaye ejuma bi ewia na me di ntro ye nhye ejuma bi ase as far as that bridge no eye concern no credit eye ba ko pe ye nye hwe me ubia frame say bia ye the contract ya mana na say asoma ne say ombe ye bibi sa wo ho iti amene ukasi
wadaruma we ya de o mampani mahama na nkasa o mampani mahama na nkasa hu ye share no eye no mobo no o ka say da bi we de ye koye Eastern Regional Minister ebo penhwan eba ho ye nyina ye hu bi na besi na ye nhye hwe ase ye hu nipa kora ehye ne nsa enha adwene
ha adwene titan say mra seminity ye krampo no yen papa wenya ne baby ko Dr. Edward Omanebo amanya me onfa ne kransie yi esuma ankofo na wo mo bae sa da no soja form penifo a o mo sa 48 engineering regiment yi bae be sin nsuo no mu kra na ye nyina ye yem hyehye be sin nsuo no etimi esusu ye ehu nsuo no ne tam ko mo tia tete ho ye betimi aye bridge na afaso ma na ye yi nti want so the report my feeder rules bill no any bibia ni nyina na media chipa esante men pressure so na ta community ye nti the people of Upper West Akim Asuokow zongo and Asuokow town population all to abano over 5,000 chrete na gomo any agite o mampeni ankasa aka bibia pa di we ho and so basically me 2-1 a month me no casino enkrofo akenenka people have been enough for more training at the idea crack kacha masa oje ne be ha dua ma yemba boa wo na ye ba acheche mu achiro say Ghana ha na emra no enye djuma sa minjimi mfa me pekete enkote me kwa koye bridge ye wo institutions are one year in charge of those things. Yenya approval no if you want to go ahead and do it, pre-finance it. I have people who are willing to support me, but this man I can't natural but let say acquire activity.
Roma edu level by ewo hwan nsem sesei ehina project we ye pesi ye di akira ye ko ewo hin edu hwan nsem. I just a ministry of roads and highways minister hope any betimi enya information. Okay, nti nya say bia ye nya special purpose vehicle bi say ye de yesa project yi nko a ya kan de ahye akwan hu dwumadi e wosi ye die ni nyina ase a we nso ahye ministry of roads and highways ase.
Ghana Ghana Hanan Sana obey bibi say oh ye kwan oh ye bibi fa kwan na bridges of here at this Ministry of Roads and Highways and ebe mouth authorization to do, but according to minister
we ya na free o mampani ho direct die na nki yanim say we die pekin kran asem na say akoshe ministry ase a of akonsa wam road kura ye hu nu anu nwie ye na ebe ye na Asuokow bridge ya ba
men so a me ye na shebedwani no man transe kura me die kire emra ye papa ma ne bo a ma fi mu no na fe die na ade na ase mi hunu ba bia ne nam the China me kote so akodu feeder rules me ko feeder rules could be China feeder rules for say wo me wie e de omoleta to so e ko ministries intimate communities and pounds me could be chia ko hu say after June 4th 2025 na ministry nso ayɛ adwuma ɛwɔ ho ewie akyerɛ sɛ aka ɔkwan a wɔmɛfa so ɛbɛkɔ deɛ ɛfɛ no procurement processes or procedures no mu but I don't know. I stand to be corrected because the year akwakoye emergency dear how mampenian katakra kase yenye dear. And so there are other procurement rules are a bit flexible to select a contractor who has the financial muscle to pre-finance this thing and then later the ministry will pay. But this in the art a fino a chimwanista buying President Yen Papa John Dramani Mahama a Jumeura. A troll party and a tune Facebook page. Yenina, ye one bubu, Atlantic Coho. Determine Kati Kra and Nedra de Miwo constituency, but it will be difficult for me to enter that particular community. But I be a woho. And Kapunu Bufupa Nanswa may change that Yamebeka and Peninfua Kuma and Pedia Dio and a more to us.
Okay, honorable Yadasana, Ubebusan was some more parliament yana, ne Ejaya Tree Minister Bana, Wabi Yamai.
And Kababua me permitting me, but I say, the mate fan a Monaco do know. I don't want it to be like after me, ham minister, and I'm happening for a idea, a Ghana for how, a president how, and a worker. So why should I be, I mean, me too one among my community office. What can't your back me have a project? You can see that it is beyond him. The ultimate funny pen require only what we call commitment, authorization, or commitment approval, whatever, however they call it. But to me, no, it shouldn't even get there because there is something that common farm how much am I pushing into education? How much will I take into other sectors within the district I'm working? And then this is something that any Sikedia should chain in Yuma or Ghana. No, a problem or baby, I made me fear the people who heartedly voted for me and they brought me to parliament.
Answer now, Bacono. Adi ba ya mpanifo call ho yanya ntia say enye main road bi a wo manfo no use no show pa na mu akoye se bomu kwa bi ya no ti na say ombehu wie ya omayi omani na na
oh enye main road won say I even made a contribution on the floor of parliament somewhere last year some 2 months after the issue happened Obi make his statement and I'm a fast so they luckily and fortunately for me, I called the speaker's eye and then he asked me to make my contribution. And then I was able to link it to that Asuokow bridge on the fact that the Asuokow bridge now a link at there so to a Samai Kede Bodia Akitia or that big industrial areas. They use heavy duty vehicles on that route. It is about fish so bana baku fish from bar. Now I yes about ejinamano because the bridge is very narrow. Intino by this and then Kolana Wamofa or Eco School on in their own wisdom no. Using that stretch of the road is very dangerous because car body power or the beer. Is there? Also now because cars not hit it. Essence a quine and pressure. That is why the children in their own wisdom thought to use the bush route that will cross the main river, Ayensu, to the other community, Omuku school. And Timothy way in your mobile says, Ubaka offer Sadia way swa. Now we are Yemun Sheshawana. It's all no human beings. And it's Sadia way or a Diana Somofasono, that day I buying the 48th Engineering Regiment and then Fida rules. They instructed that Yentu Trabiana, 1 year trade, since operated. And just to discourage these children from using that route. Now they have no option than to be commuting on the main route, which is more dangerous than crossing the main river. You understand the situation now? Yeah. And so this is a very serious thing that we don't have to joke with. I don't know what has blocked our ears. But well, let's wait. Just that, nobody heard about it. Because I was tired of calling people following up on this thing. And maybe a time is coming, a top president and Kata Suma, he will instruct the people to come and do it.
ya da ase na se de ya to dale ma na se pa bibia ne ya besa ba biu ya da ase
me pa to you me da ase
onyanfo Emmanuel Dra ayem ra hyebeduani ma de hye wa pa West Akim abato mpeso en fa kro no asa de we wo nuduru kro no mu a eye ketu ya etwam ko dan ne ya yire ne de omo main bridge na main bridge na ketu bi ka kro ntimi mu nsa ho yi wo ya no so na link omo e ko dan ge
a busy road
mo busy pa entina na mo fra ne fa ti
e fa ha no and his excellency John Dramani Mahama mpacha assignment no wo monye you minimum so Addis Ababa na o Ghana ha dia wa ba wo ene mpacha mampani wadaroma assignment no monye na we kra no se onmenyamfo Emmanuel Dra wo NDC MP into no kra no na ne pre na ban wo so you ena wo ma twene tan te se hwenumunua won tehwi
afi hon de o sweep pa 2012